Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel where I share information about jobs in abroad. My name is Pumi. I'm a South African work and living here in South Korea. For my returning subscribers, you guys I really appreciate. And for the new people in the house, you guys are more than welcome. And I hope that you're going to stay because the information I share here, it might help some of you. And yeah, you never know, you never know. So you better stay, like, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell. Yeah. So guys, in this video I'm going to share information about Canadian fruit picking job. And I know a lot of you will be like, fruit picking, hell no, I'm not gonna be a fruit picker. But it's a good opportunity though, because yeah, you immigrate to Canada free of charge because they provide you with everything: accommodation, flight tickets, like everything. So you just need to apply, and they don't need any qualification on this one. They don't need any qualification, like, at all. So guys, it's a good opportunity. So let's just get to the video, and I'm gonna drop the link in my description box so that you can apply. I wish you the best.